G'day there. Now listen up, because what's sitting in your pantry right now might be a chemical cocktail disguised as a household staple, and frankly, it makes me want to scream. Now, if you're like most Aussies, you've probably grabbed a box of McKenzie's Bi-Carb soda without a second thought, because it's been the gold standard in our supermarkets since before the Harbour Bridge was a sketch on a napkin. But here's the truth that'll make you drop your Lamington. We need to talk about the Solvay Process. Excuse me. Now, McKenzie's is an iconic Aussie family-owned brand, and let's give them credit. They've been around since 1852. But we have to look at the sourcing. If you check the back of that box, it often says, packed in Australia from imported ingredients. Why does that matter? Because there are two ways to get baking soda. You either mine it naturally from the earth, or you manufacture it synthetically in a massive industrial plant using ammonia and limestone. Most Aussies think Bi-Carb is Bi-Carb, but that's like saying a cask of goon is the same as a fine Barossa Shiraz. If you want the pure stuff, you should be looking for natural sodium bicarbonate. And don't even get me started on Coles. Between the price gouging and the additives, I wouldn't use their powder to scrub a dunny, let alone bake a cake.
If you want the pure stuff, you should be looking for natural sodium bicarbonate, which is leached from the ground using water, not ammonia. So while McKenzie's isn't poison, the fact that we're paying a premium for a synthetically processed imported powder when we could have earth-mined purity is the first reason I'm walking past it in the aisle. We've been conditioned to trust the orange box, but in 2026, with the health data we have on synthetic additives and heavy metal residues often found in industrial-scale chemical plants, natural isn't just a buzzword, it's a necessity for your gut health. If you want to shop safely in a world of corporate greed, hit subscribe and turn on notifications. We're remodeling the way you look at your groceries, one aisle at a time. Right. Let's get stuck into the big red giant, because Coles is currently in the hot seat with the ACCC, and for good reason. You've seen the down stickers, but did you know the ACCC took Coles and Woolies to court recently for illusory discounts? They were hiking prices up by 15% for a few weeks, just so they could drop them back to the original price and call it a bargain. But it's not just the price gouging that's the issue, it's what's inside the Coles brand baking powder. Here is where the baking soda versus baking powder confusion ruins lives, or at least ruins your pavlova. Baking soda, sodium bicarbonate, is usually 100% pure, but baking powder is a mixture. It contains the bicarb, a moisture absorber like corn flour, and, this is the kicker, an acidifying agent. Many budget brands, including the Coles Home brand, have historically used sodium aluminium phosphate or sodium aluminium sulfate as that acid. Excuse me, I must be allergic to corporate greed. Research published in the Journal of Alzheimer's Disease has long debated the link between cumulative aluminium exposure and neurotoxicity. When you buy the cheapest chips Coles version, you aren't just getting a leavening agent, you're often getting a dose of metallic bitterness and a chemical that hasn't been proven 100% safe for long-term high-volume consumption. Plus, Coles has been trialling per-unit pricing instead of per-kilo pricing, which a 2026 Guardian report called a massive transparency failure. They make it nearly impossible for a busy mum or dad to see that the home brand isn't actually cheaper when you account for the fillers and the quality. I've seen the lab tests. Budget baking powders often have uneven leavening because the ratio of acid to base is off, meaning your cake rises like a lopsided hat at the Melbourne Cup. Why would I risk my health and my Sunday roast's Yorkshire puddings on a brand that the ACCC is currently investigating for treating us like mugs? I'm done with the down deception. If a brand is willing to trick you at the price tag, they're definitely willing to skip the Aluminium-Free certification to save 5 cents on the production line. Finally,
Let's talk about the third brand you need to dodge. The generic no-name or black and gold style imports often found in discount chemists or bottom shelf grocers. These are the mystery bags of the baking world. Often, these products don't even list the country of origin for the ingredients. They just say, packed in Australia. This is a massive red flag. Real research from global supply chain audits in 2025 showed that low-grade sodium bicarbonate from certain overseas industrial hubs can contain trace amounts of arsenic and lead due to the lack of food-grade filtration in the Solvay plants. You think you're getting a bargain for $2, but you're actually buying a cleaning-grade chemical and putting it in your sourdough. Disgusted snort. So, what's a proud Aussie to do? If you want to support real quality, look for brands like the Salt Box or Bob's Red Mill, available in health aisles. These are 100% natural, mined from the earth, and are actually USP grade, which is a pharmaceutical standard, not just a she'll-be-right food standard. Or, if you want to stay local, look for Australian-owned companies that explicitly source natural Bi-Carb from the USA deposits, rather than synthetic Solvay stuff from Asia. You'll taste the difference immediately. No more metallic aftertaste in your scones, and no more worrying if your natural cleaner is actually off-gassing ammonia in your kitchen. We've got to stop being brand loyal to companies that aren't loyal to our health. The Australian supermarket landscape is changing, and the 2026 ACCC inquiry has proven that the big guys are looking at their profit margins, not your pantry's purity. Switch to a natural, mined Bi-Carb and leave the synthetic powders for scrubbing the grease off your driveway. Your gut, your brain, and your baking will thank you for it. Now, if you'll excuse me, I've got a natural aluminium-free cake to go eat. Cheeky wink. Catch you in the next one. Stay savvy, Australia.